this video, we will learn about voids or holes in crystal. So voids are the empty spaces present in the crystalline lattice. In this video, we will learn about the voids in the FCC crystals. You all know about the FCC crystals, that in this the lattice points are present at the corners and at the face centers. And these balls have space between them. Some balls have the space between 4 and some balls have the space between 6. The space between the 4 balls is known as tetrahedral voids. And in short, we can say as TV. If we see the TV in a cube, then on one cube diagonal there are 2 TV, and total cube diagonal are 4, and on every one there are 2. So the total number of TV in a cube is 8. Second, we discuss about the octahedral voids. Octahedral voids are the space between the 6 balls is known as octahedral voids, and in short we can say as OV. And if we see in the cube, then they are present at the centers of the edges. And one is present at the center. And every ball has 1/4 part in the cube, and total are 12, and one is of the center. So the total number of OV in a cube is 4. As we have already discussed that in FCC, the lattice points are at the corners and at the face centers, and these are the OV present at the midpoint of the edges, and this is the TV. Then if we take a cube, and if I take this as my origin, so this will be x-axis, y-axis, and this is z-axis. Okay, and if we talk about the nearest TV, so the nearest TV is this, and the coordinate of this nearest TV is a/4, a/4, and a/4. Then we talk about the farthest TV. This is the farthest TV, and the coordinate of the farthest TV is 3a/4, 3a/4, and 3a/4. Then we talk about the OV. So the nearest OV are these 1, 2, and 3. These are the 3 nearest OV. So the coordinate of this OV in the x-axis is a/2, 0, 0, and the coordinate of this nearest OV is 0, a/2, 0, and the coordinate of this OV in the z-axis is 0, 0, a/2. Then we talk about the farthest OV. So the farthest OV is this, one is this, second and third. These are the 3 farthest OV, and the coordinate of this is a, and a/2, and the coordinate of this farthest OV is a/2, a, and the coordinate of this OV is a/2, a, and a. Then we talk about that the minimum distance between the TV and OV. So for that, if we take a cube diagonal, on cube diagonal, this is the cube diagonal, and on this cube diagonal first is atom, then TV, then at the center OV is present. So this is TV, OV, again TV, and atom. Okay, and the coordinate of this TV is a/4, 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 and the coordinate of this is a/2, a/2, a/2. Suppose if I say this as x1, y1, z1, and this as x2, y2, z2, then the distance formula will be, as you all know, the distance formula is whole under root, then whole square of x2 minus x1 plus whole square of y2 minus y1 and whole square of z2 minus z1 and the whole under root. Okay, so in this will be, the distance will be x2 minus x1, which is a by 4 whole square plus whole square of a by 4 and the whole under root. So this value is root 3 a by 4. So the distance between, minimum distance between the TV and OV is root 3 by 4. Then we talk about the distance of nearest TV. Distance of nearest TV. Okay, so it is the whole square of a by 4 plus a by 4 whole square and plus a by 4 whole square and the whole under root. So if we solve this, it will be a by 4 and this will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this value is root 3 a by 4. Root 3 a by 4. And the distance of the farthest TV is, farthest TV will be the whole square of 3a by 4 plus whole square of 3a by 4 plus whole square of 3a by 4 and the whole under root. So this value is 3 root 3 a by 4. Then we will talk about that. The question may be asked to you that at the cube diagonal, how many TV and OV are present? So at the cube diagonal there are total 2 TV and 1 OV at the center. 1 OV which is at the center. And on the face diagonal, at the face diagonal there is no TV and no OV. Then we see at the diagonal plane. At the diagonal plane, these are the 2 OVs present and 1 OV is present at the center, and at the 2 cube diagonals on every there are 2 TV. So total TV are 4 TV and 3 OV. From these 3 OV, these 2 are the shared OV. And if we see in the rectangular plane, then 1 OV, 2 OV, 3 and 4, and 1 is at the center. So total OV are 5 OV, and there is no TV. Thank you.